morning, you guys, and welcome back to another video. It's your girl Cece, and today we're saying goodbye to another item in preparation for our fifth wheel. So anyways, babe didn't know I was recording and he's walking me out the door, so I'm running behind for work, but we are getting ready to say goodbye to the Kia. Oh, this is the last time you guys will see her, because she is no more. Because babe is getting, what you getting, babe?
I'm getting me that awesome Ram 3500 dually.
He getting a truck, y'all. I don't know what none of that means, but he getting a truck. And I know some people might say, oh my God, a dually, like that's gonna be so much gas, but it's not our everyday driver. This is what we typically drive every day, and babe works like 8 minutes from home, so it's not that big of a deal for us. So yeah, I'm getting ready to go to work, and I'll see you guys later. Look what I got. Somebody went and got their truck today. I was gone because I was out doing girl stuff. I know I was supposed to bring you guys along, but it's rainy, it's gloomy. We didn't really do nothing. But I wanted to show y'all this monstrosity. She is cute. So babe got a Ram 3500 heavy duty turbo diesel with the hips, because the hips don't lie, dually. So our tow vehicle is here, but we still don't have our RV. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what's in this thing from my perspective. Babe will give you all the details on what's really in this thing. From his perspective. His channel is Hanging with the Chapmans. Y'all can check him out over there. He be talking about all the stuff, but I don't know the stuff, so I don't be talking about all the stuff. I just know she cute. She cute, and she big, and she thick like her mama. Let me show y'all. Oh, you got to climb up in this thing. Hold on. Oh, I don't even like big trucks, but I like this thing. I like her. Okay, so let me tell y'all about this truck. Now, mind you, let me get y'all clear. Mind you, I have no clue what's what, but from what I'm seeing, and y'all let me know what this stuff is. So you got the RPMs over here, the hot, the cool, how many miles you could go per tank, and how you got the extended tank. He got the extended tank, which holds how many gallons?
I'm not sure off the top of my head.
He got the 50-gallon extended tank. But yeah, they gassed it up for him. Well, dieseled it up for him. Do you still say gassed up if it's diesel? I don't know. I drive an electric car. I don't know about that. But he got the big old screen. I don't know. Okay, what do y'all put here? Because what is this? Is it for change? Like, what is that? What's your first question?
Where the outlets at? Because why I don't got no plugs in the
Oh Lord, our kids are displeased because it's not a lot of USB chargers. So note to y'all, if y'all get this truck, that is no USB chargers in the back. So yeah. First impressions, y'all like it?
Yeah.
What you like, Sarah?
It's very spacious.
It's spacious. What you like, Tootie?
Spacious.
Okay. What you like, Gabe?
I was gonna say there's a lot of room in here.
I like the interior. I like the leather details, like the stitching.
Clearly, y'all, my kids, they are cut from the same cloth. I'm gonna just say cut from the same cloth. Okay. y'all want to know her name?
No.
Gabby, what you think her name is?
LaCreshia.
Tootie, what you think her name is?
My nails.
Nails. Soraya, what you think her name is?
Beyonce.
Daddy, what you named her?
I didn't know we came up with a name yet.
You didn't? Y'all want to know what I named her?
What?
Thickums. Because she got them hips like her mama. So yeah, that's just a quick tour of our new tow vehicle. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, be sure to ask them on Babe's channel at Hanging with the Chapmans. Thank you so much for rocking with us. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, babe.
Bye.
All right, y'all. Peace.